Hello, boys and girls. Welcome. Today we're going to learn about one of Allah's beautiful names. It's a very special name called Al-Mubdi. Are you ready to discover what this amazing name means? Let's begin our exciting journey together. Al-Mubdi means the originator. This is such a wonderful name. Allah creates everything from nothing. He doesn't need anything to help him create. He is the one who brings new things into existence that never existed before. Allah can make anything He wants, and He does it all by Himself. Isn't that amazing? Look at all the beautiful flowers and plants around us. Allah created each one of them. Every flower is unique and special. Some are red, some are yellow, some are purple, some are big, and some are tiny. Allah made them in so many colors, shapes, and sizes. He created them from nothing, showing His amazing power as Al-Mubdi, the originator. Allah also created all the amazing animals, from tiny ants that crawl on the ground to huge elephants that walk in the jungle, from colorful birds that fly in the sky to fish that swim in the ocean. Each animal is different and special in its own way. Allah originated all these wonderful creatures with His power as Al-Mubdi. And guess what? Allah created each one of you too. You are unique and special. No two people are exactly the same. Everyone has their own smile, their own voice, their own special talents and gifts. Allah as Al-Mubdi made each person original and wonderful. You are one of Allah's amazing creations. Always remember Allah's beautiful name, Al-Mubdi, the originator. When you see flowers blooming, when you watch animals playing, or when you look at yourself in the mirror, remember that Allah created everything. His amazing creation is all around us, everywhere we look. Thank you for learning with me today. Goodbye, dear friends.